Coming up, it's our travel day. We packed as much as we could into the 4-day weekend, but it's time to hit the road. Mike has a snack prep, blueberry muffin. Our GPS notifies us that Route 10 is closed. We bypass a Buc-ee's to try the Texan gas stop, and we have more fun and games when we arrive back at our home base. Oh boy. So come with us as we try to get level, fix water leaks, fix electrical problems, and so much more on our travel days. Just took Enzo for a walk, and it's Monday. We're gonna leave today. The sun's just starting to come up, and it's only like 48 degrees out. There's nothing better than breakfast. Can for the kitties. Alright, guys. Alright, calm down.
Eat up, Enzo. You're not gonna eat, Enzo? We're playing that game?
We're heating up our meal prep so we don't have to eat gas station food. That actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, 1 minute in the microwave. Let's see.
1 minute in the microwave. Okay, cool.
We'll call on this up, but it's not frozen.
I don't know where he's going. Enzo doesn't seem to like the dog bark. We think it was because he was abandoned as a pup. He's fearful we'll leave him. Lots of little cabins, huh?
Yeah, you have quite a few different styles and shapes.
We have sewer, water hookup, 30 and 50 amp, 110. Did have a fire pit, a picnic table that we didn't use. Starting Mike's chiclet sap so we don't forget anything. I did that. I'll just wipe it down. A little bleach. A quarter cup of this RV digested. We have a gallon of water that we always store.
Not that. I don't think we'll be out anytime soon, though.
It's a gallon. Refrigerator in place. Okay, that means. One extra.
But it doesn't show up.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah. All right. We'll be.
Please drive to highlighted route.
When I'm ready. Yep, already there's traffic. I can do the little box.
I-10 is closed. Switching to a new route.
What? Where?
Where's it take 410? It says it's close. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, you know what? Let me see. Google says the same thing. Showing, yeah, there's an accident. But it has us getting off of 10 and just going around a little bit, going back on. Reported 3 hours and 10 minutes ago, so it doesn't really matter when we left.
Yeah, okay.
We will still run into it.
I can't do anything else to the outside until we're done in here.
Okay. All right, we did all this. Okay. Here's my Desi love one.
Now let me move you back so tomorrow you can vacuum the rug. Lay down. You don't have to move right yet. You're okay. We're just going for a ride. It's like driving in it's a truck. It's just a big truck. That's all it is.
Back seat.
It's okay. It's like being in the back seat of the truck. Just lay down and be a good boy. You're okay.
Let's see. Unplug the Starlink. Okay.
You gotta push it back out. You gotta pull it out.
Extend. Desi's gonna play with it. I'm gonna bring it back in. Okay. As you can see, our gray tank's empty. Our black still says dink. Fresh water's only a dink. Driver's side retract. Oh, what is that? Oh, God. just a freaking toy. Oh no! Alright, I'll find out we have cats. We got you two. You are, okay. And we got Rudy. Okay. Driver slide retract. There we go. Okay. Passenger slide retract. Not that easy to weigh. If you go to the bathroom, you'll hit it. And I just want to make sure everybody's here and accounted for. Patrick's in the corner. Lucy's right there. Daisy's right there. Right, sweetie? Task lights off. We're turning the water pump off. We're turning the electric heater off. And we are ready to go. The route 10's closed, going eastbound. But it's been closed for over 3 hours, so we're just going to see if maybe they've cleared it up by now. But hey, who knows? It is what it is. Move the tracks, okay?
Yeah, because I can't get the carpet though.
Alright, let's see. Time to move the tracks. Auto store. Does look like a gorgeous day. Not a little wind. It's now 11:16. Almost ready to go leave. Hopefully, maybe that accident on Route 10 where it's closed will be done, but we don't know. Okay, we're almost ready to leave. Okay, everything looks like it's working.
I-10 is closed. Switching to a new route. Turn right on Gambler Road. Take the ramp on the left to I-410 North, then keep right.
We ran into stop-and-go traffic, so I checked Google for alternates. It said the exit was now cleared. Google gave us a straight route to Route 10 East. 10 miles, and then we're making a left onto 10. We figured with all the big trucks on this road, we should be fine.
In 1.25 miles, be in either of the two left lanes, then turn left on I-10 West.
We're almost at Route 10 and there's construction. Our Garmin and Google have both made a mistake. They both mislabeled Route 10 as Route 10 West.
Turn left on I-10 West, then take the ramp on the left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right there. We passed up Buc-ee's because of the crowds. We just didn't want to sit in line for gas. So I figured we'd try a new place. We decided to get gas at the Texan and see what that was like.
Take exit 674.
And here we are, the Texan. It's like a mini Buc-ee's. Lots of gas pumps and easy in, easy out, which we like. And I'm going to go check out the convenience store next.
Set that edge. I'll take you out when we get back. Can't see the car.
The car's still over on this side. I can see it.
Yeah, close you because I can't. I'm taking him out first, though.
Okay. Time to check out the convenience store. Wow, they have all kinds of stuff in here. Look at this. You name it, they have it. Oh, they even have rock stars. Woohoo! And go back to the RV with our goodies. Spotless bathrooms, and they have rock stars. And they have oval fritters. And we're off on our final leg of our trip home, we hope.
Turn right at the traffic light. Take the ramp on the left to I-10 East.
Of course, there's more construction. What else is new? But here's our exit. Oh, they're redoing that too. Oh well.
Take the first right. In 2.5 miles, arrive at Road 7 Hill Ranch.
And there's the road, and here we are. We're home. Woohoo! And we're back, and we have to unhitch. That's the generator. It's definitely cooler inside than it is out. Now we're backing our rig up into our site. Auto level. Finally backed up into a parking spot. It's been a long time today. Lots of construction, accident, all sorts of fun stuff, lots of wind. And now we're trying to get a level. So that didn't work. Back to auto store. So we'll try that again in a couple of minutes. Mike's got to get the boards positioned correctly. You can see his legs sticking out where he's trying to get the boards under.
Like 3 times.
All right, Rudy, you're all set, huh? You're my brave soul. Gotta unplug tire monitor. It's under here. Let me take this off. I'm packing everything to take home. Pack up the dog food and the cat food. And bring that home. Take home all the extra cans, all the chips, all the goodies we bought. Bring the rest of the dog food home. This is all we had. Alright? Alright. Yep. Like so.
Proposal. I have my laptop here.
Yeah, you do.
It's already 4:30.
I know.
Why don't we just stay tonight and I'll go home after work. Let's just sit something early. Just put it up on the bunk or something. Well, first I'm gonna go look in that bathroom, see if I can get that switch to work.
Put this back here. Put that back there. Put these in here for now. Okay, then I should put the rug down.
Alright, yeah.
Mike is fixing the GFCI outlet again. Seems every time we travel it goes out. You're still hiding. You could come out. We're not leaving for a while, sweetie. Lucy's already out and about. We're plugging in and filling the water tank. The ranch has nice well water. We wanted to use a city water connection, but it's leaking. It's not working. One that goes to the water, and this one we have another hose, so we can hose down the horses and give them water, buckets of water and whatnot. This part's working just fine. But the valve over there, which I think he has a quick connect on, it's not playing nice.
This just doesn't fit.
The hose itself, huh? Okay, filling up the tank. You can see where the water line is there. We're just waiting for him to pop the cord through the rubber little slide. I grabbed the wire that Mike fed through the slide out, and now I'm planning to plug it into the router. The cord goes a certain way, so there's a bit of a struggle here. Looks like it's in. Okay. All right. Mike's connecting the Starlink to the internet. Our dish is searching for satellites. It's calculating orientation. We still have the older model that has a little motor thing. We'll figure out what direction it's supposed to be in. We've had it since May of 2001. After a really long travel day, we are exhausted. Good night, all. We're glad we stayed because our AT&T internet is out at the house. Road construction crews got it somewhere. So while Mike works, I pack up the truck, put all our goodies in it. Okay, back loaded. We're off to our sticks and bricks. About an hour driving. We're finally back in Magnolia. Somewhere around here is where they cut the AT&T fiber optic lines. This was an all-day fix. Ah, we're almost home. And there we are. Now we have to unload everyone and everything. Gotta get all the cats in. We already brought Enzo in. Now we gotta bring all our goodies in. This is an ordeal. More stuff. All our laundry, All our clothes. Yikes. Bags over there, bags there, food over there. We're home. Today I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks and hacks that we have done for organizing this RV. A lot of these hacks actually came from organizing the fifth wheel we used to have. We had that for 12 years. And then we took a lot of that stuff, we just like moved the horse trailer, put it in there. It worked. And now we've taken a lot of this stuff, plus we've done some more improvements and moved it to the motorhome. So all this stuff I'm going to give you, stuff you can find in the darndest places. Now I'm not going to give it away, but yes, we've done lots and lots of improvements, and they're all cheap, easy fixes, things you could buy at almost anywhere, and it works. So we're going to show you how we organize and find the innovative ways to making things work. Maybe this will give you some ideas too. Never know. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.